Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Maha, and today we're going to be making this easy red pepper and hummus dip. We're going to take some help by using prepared hummus, but this is going to be so easy, less than 5 ingredients. If you're eating junk on this quarantine, the least you could do is pair it up with something healthy like this, right? Quick, easy, simple, and healthy. Let's get started. So over here I have a 14-ounce can of prepared hummus. You can use any brand that you want. I'm using Taza, and as you can see, it's pretty thick. So we're gonna take it all out, put it in our bowl, and I'm gonna add a few tablespoons of water and mix that in. Now this brand, it's already prepared. It has the tahini, the lemon, the salt, and everything. But if you find that it's a bit too tart for your liking, or if it has more lemon juice, you can add some more tahini sauce, but it was perfect for me. And now I'm just gonna add half a cup of my red pepper paste. You can make your own or buy it if you want, but I suggest making mine because trust me, when I told you that I was gonna be putting this in everything and anything, I meant it. And now just adding yogurt. I added 2 handfuls of oregano, and then we're gonna start mixing. Now when you mix anything, or mixing salad, mixing marinades, you don't just want to mix mindlessly. You want to think about what you could have added, what you should have added, anything you forgot. And I just remembered that I forgot to grate in my garlic, so I'm just gonna do it now. I'm grating 3 cloves of garlic, and this is going to add a really nice spiciness because when you grate garlic, it has a much stronger flavor, so I really like that. I also added some salt because remember we added the yogurt, and then we're going to mix again. Okay, you just have to taste it, adjust your seasoning. Mine was perfect, and now you just want to chill it for at least 30 minutes before serving. I'm serving it with some buffalo pretzels, but if you want to keep it healthy, you can serve it with some baby carrots, edamame, cherry tomatoes, really anything you want. And you can also add walnuts, you can add chili paste to this, you can add sun-dried tomatoes. So this is really just a base recipe, and you can play it up however you want. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, follow my Instagram, and I will see you next time on Simply Maha. Bye bye.